What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets United 737 MAX 9. Now at the time of making this unboxing video, this aircraft came out sometime last year in 2024, but now NG has since released their version of the MAX 9 and MAX 8, and I haven't picked any of them up yet, mainly because I've got these GeminiJets ones, and yeah, I know the GeminiJets mold is honestly not, like, it's not bad, but it's NG's is superior. But I've decided, I'd rather focus my money on buying other aircraft and airlines that actually I don't have or that I need more so than just trying to get duplicates. So with that being said, I've not picked up any of the NG versions yet. I'm sure NG will release more in the future, or those still might be available when I get the money to purchase them. Regardless, here we have the GeminiJets version. I actually have two of these. I'm only going to unbox one. I'll show you guys one, as there's no point in having both out. But yeah, so here's the box, standard box. This is going to be a pretty straightforward and quick review, as there's not too much to show you. As it's just a standard United aircraft. So yeah, this came out sometime last year. Don't remember which month, which release this is from, unfortunately. But yeah, so here we have it. Let's just make sure it's not broken and take a look at it. Two pieces on top. Interesting. Might put a piece on the bottom then. That nose gear looks wonky. Jeez, look at how clunky that nose gear is. That nose gear is almost as wide as the fuselage. I mean, it rolls, but it is really clunky. Okay, anyway. Minor details. Though details matter. Alright. Not bad looking. Not bad looking. Color-wise and detail-wise, it looks pretty straightforward and pretty good. So let's take a look here. Cockpit windows in the cockpit area, it looks pretty good. I still think the NG mold is better than this, but yeah. So there we go. Star Alliance logo right there. You got the L1 door, the little saying right there. Let's see. Trying to find out maybe when this was released for us, or if there's. It's fine. But yeah, so here we have the Star Alliance logo, the L1 door, little saying right there. The United title right there. The engine's looking not bad, honestly. The gear is, let's say, a little mediocre. Just. Yeah, but the gear door and everything else is fine. Got the antenna at the top, the overwing exit markings on the wing, and the doors there are marked, looking very nice, and the wings look pretty good. So there's splits, not bad. Wi-Fi, the door there, the little door plug, the one that blew out on the Alaska plane. Oh yes, and then you got the little antenna at the top there, the registration November 37555, the American flag, and then the aft door. As well as, it looks like that's the fleet number, which is 7555 right there. Tail looking very good, the tail fin, and then the horizontal stabilizer area all looking great as well. Baggage door right there, baggage door right there, and that's pretty much it. There's some good details around the front here as well, probably denoting it's like static ports, etc. And other little ports and stuff. But overall, not bad. Detail wise, it's good. Let's take a look at the top down. So not bad on the top down aspect, and then underneath it's pretty straightforward, pretty plain. The gear do roll. And everything. So the main gear are fine. It's just that nose gear that's just a little clunky. But yeah, So with that being said, that's pretty much it on this aircraft and this model. I may or may not be getting any of the NG variants in the future. We'll see. But I do have 2 of these, and I think I've got another Max 9 somewhere as well, an older release from GeminiJets as well. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.